Hey guys, welcome back to another how-to video. On the menu today we'll have pizza sauce. So you keep watching while I put you through on how to make it. Now let's begin. For you to make pizza sauce, you need tomatoes, okay, fresh tomatoes. But I will be using canned tomato, yes, like the one you're seeing on the screen. It is called chopped tomato with herbs, okay? All right, pour it into your blender and add some white onions. I use 1 medium-sized white onions, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of oregano. Now cover it up and blend. Please, if you are using raw tomato, like fresh raw tomato, make sure you deseed it, okay? Also, remember to include basil leaf. It could be dry one or fresh, okay? We've transferred it in a clean bowl. Now go in with 2 teaspoons of sugar and a teaspoon of salt. Now go in with 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you're using normal, as in fresh garlic, please blend it together with the tomatoes. 3 or 4 of it is fine. Now, after you've added it, go on and add 2 tablespoons of your olive oil and stir to well combine. The reason why you didn't see me add basil leaf is because the tomato I'm using got some herbs in it, okay? So if you are starting with fresh tomato, you need to include basil leaf. Blend it together with the tomatoes, okay? And please, if you have any question, leave it in the comment. I will answer it. I promise you. All right, guys, give it a whisk until everything is well mixed, all right? At this point, we're done. Look at how it is looking, guys. Nice. You can use it this way, okay? If there's the consistency you are looking at for, to me, it is even perfect this way. But for the sake of those using fresh tomato, if it is that watery, what you need to do is to cook it, okay? So we're going to cook it. So keep watching. Now transfer it in a pan or your pot. We're going to cook it some more just to get it to dry up a bit. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome to Omaspot, where we share easy cooking delicious meals, baking, small chops and snacks, and even more. So if it sounds like something you're looking out for, please go ahead and subscribe so you become part of this amazing, beautiful family. Thank you, guys. So let's continue. At this point, guys, it is just perfect, okay? Just control it is on you. How you want it, the consistency you want, just keep looking out for it. Once you get to what you want, you bring it down. As you can see, guys, all done. Now it is time to store it. So you get an airtight container, yes, and put it in there. Just like you're watching me, guys. It is looking good. And it is very, very simple, guys. Very simple to make. Just follow the steps, all right? Now, cover it up with some olive oil and straight to your fridge. You can as well keep it in your cupboard, provided the oil is floating on it, okay? It is fine. It's not going to get spoiled. All right? Now, let's cover it up, as you can see. All right, guys. We've come to the end of today's recipe. Thank you, guys, for joining me in today's video. If you found it interesting, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and follow for more easy cooking recipes. See you guys. Bye.